Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions with my co-pilot. The man's got some sexy toes and they're ready to be shown, guys. I think maybe like 300 likes and we can get there. The London session setting the tone, but I think the New York guys, they bring the volatility, so they are locked and ready for it. Brother, you think you're ready?
For pips and toes or pips and almost said the other one if we were. No, I'm ready. This morning, obviously very rangy, very choppy. Right idea initially, but things reversing. But yeah, interesting. Going to be interesting session. Day is not done yet.
Yeah, we're going to dive into it shortly, guys. Already I was saying to Chris, there's a certain thing I'm looking for that I think might happen here today. But we're going to see again, could be wrong. Obviously the trade this morning, for those that were here, obviously going break even. So again, we are ready to go. And I'll just put it, basically the idea isn't changed. We're going to stick to it and we'll explain why very, very shortly. But I know, my brother, you're going to open us up with a prayer there before we get started.
Yeah, Chad, let's get straight into it. As always, every single day, even when we don't feel like it, it's not about feelings. It's about discipline. It's about starting off the session right, as we do every single day. And that is with the prayer. So keep your eyes open, keep your eyes closed. Do whatever. Lay down on your back, on your face, on your side. Stand up, whatever you want to do. But we're going to pray here real quick. Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us with the ability to be here. Thank you for health. Thank you for prosperity. Thank you for the community of people that join us here every single day. Everyone listening to our voice, Father, may we be a light. May we honestly just give our best every single day. And may, good or bad, whatever we do, bring glory unto your name. And may we honestly just reflect every good and honorable thing unto you. And I pray that you will guide us into all truth, that you will guide us in today's session, that we can make very good decisions, that we can be wisdom be bestowed upon us. And we ask this not because we deserve it, but in your grace and in your name alone. Amen.
Amen. That was beautiful, bro. That just extra energy there. I felt it.
You felt that, eh?
I felt it. Guys, that is it. We're ready to go over to this. Obviously, I think we'll start off with the fundamentals and what came out there. But what are we looking out for, and why am I saying what I'm saying? So firstly, I still say, guys, we're going to be looking for that dollar strength coming through here in the New York session. Reason I'm saying now is yesterday. Firstly, yesterday, what basically came out, the whole thing with Powell, was actually a very bearish type of outlook. Yet we saw that turnaround happen afterwards. If let's talk in fundamental terms, a very dovish outlook. And yet we saw that turnaround when the job openings came out, which basically flipped everything on its head. Then if we start looking at now today, we've been trading bearish straight off the bat with the dollar. And just setting new lows. We halted a bit, going back down. And obviously when we see now that ADP coming out, again, a miss, but when you consider the miss from the forecast, yes, but the miss from the previous month, nothing really major. Then when we start talking unemployment claims, again, yes, a raise, but still basically a little bit breaking the thing, but again, not breaking like anything major yet. And then obviously we've got PMI, which is going to make things interesting again at 3:45 and 4 o'clock. But again, they're not expecting the finals, basically looking almost a flat number, basically. And ISM, a little bit of a decrease. And as much as we want to say that, I just, something's not sitting right there with me. Obviously, we got those minutes coming again tonight, which obviously that is the stuff we already do know. But something's just not sitting right. And when we start looking at this, again, very, very simple. We've been seeing this zone start holding there for the day. So I think we can still be quite patient. We either can see if we get a nice entry around about where we took the same thing this morning. Otherwise, we can get lower. The thing is, we're going to have to wait now for entry criteria and hope it doesn't run away without us, because literally it can just continue higher. And we can be wrong, as we said. So we're definitely going to wait for either an entry around there, or definitely once we break underneath this, then it's game on. Now, where it comes with dollar, guys, is, as I said to you, trading down almost the whole day. Obviously, our weekly pivot being held, daily pivot EQ all the way above us, but just that one-way momentum. And now, where it's going to come in with the dollar, which is also quite crucial for me, is if you guys remember, basically on Monday, I spoke to you about this weekly supply. And if you see, we obviously right back down there now, so we're having that retest. And sorry, Chad, we could have that wick fill, which is obviously on the table here. So once we do this, I either want to see us definitely trade around here. If you look at that, when we look at the S2, that S2 is literally basically the low. So almost wicking out that previous wick. So if we can get that S2, we could see that wick out. And then if we get a turnaround and get back above after that wick, get back above the weekly supply, we can maybe start seeing that dollar turnaround. Maybe those PMIs actually surprise us like we're talking about, and that is going to be the driving factor for the dollar. But if it continues bearish, if we get a break under this weekly supply and we start holding, then I'll happily say, you know what, we put in the dollar aside. It's game on for the buys with gold and with the indices. But when we start talking about that, that's also where it gets interesting. Dollar going bearish, and we always talk to you about one of them is lying. Indices all selling off. So again, we basically starting to hold this weekly resistance. We gave it a good fight, same as dollar, but finally has broken underneath, holding underneath there. If this market, when we open up, if this thing does anything and doesn't just go bullish, this thing's going down, and it's going far down. Remember, that's what you spoke about. We can still be bullish, but because having massive days, that allows for massive retracements before they continue bullish. So Nasdaq can still have that massive sell-off to start it off with, and we're going to see that same thing continue with US 30. EQ, daily pivot, all underneath the weekly pivot, and that support zone where we finally broke away from. So if we don't start holding these Asia highs and we get anything that again rejects off this previous daily high, we've already rejected the key level, we could see that sell-off. But if we go back up, again, the buys can be on. So all of the pairs for me literally at key areas. So firstly, dollar going to be the most important one for me. If that fails at that weekly supply, it's gone for me, and I'm just going to say very simple, everything's going to be a buy for the day. But if it starts holding, it is game on big time to have the buys come back for the day. So definitely a bit of a reaction day now for New York session.
Alrighty, Chad, just doing some things here on the side, getting ready for the session. Beautiful. Let's quickly look at it. Economic calendar. Kicks, I'm trying to see what did ADP come out as. 238 initial jobless claims. A little bit higher, nothing too much.
ADP came out 150.
ADP, okay, a little bit of a miss. Softer print there. Composite PMIs coming out also a little bit later today. Let's just check here. I just want to see overall what the European PMIs did. Very solid. Weirdly enough, Germany, big miss. Okay, not big miss, sorry. Big miss on the services PMI. Composite, not that big of a miss. Eurozone coming out relatively strong. Not major beats, eh? Listen, it's not like they're shooting any lights out. Softer inflation print there. Alright, PPI negative. Okay, interesting. Okay, Chad, let's get straight into the charts. DXY, let's quickly look at it. That level from earlier today holding steadfast like you wouldn't believe. Key level, Asia lows, neutral on the day. I mentioned to you guys, it is a up, it is a down. There's the previous weekly low. I said I'm still bullish while we hold above that previous weekly low. Very interesting on an NFP week that we are going relatively one way. I don't know if they're setting it up, but dollar looking fragile here today. Weekly S1, daily S2. I don't foresee us really just changing course here today, but it is Wednesday. Is it reversal Wednesday? I don't know. Already extended. I'm going to need to see what we do here. 2 zones there, and I'm going to need to see what we do here. Alright, very simple. The rest is none of my concern at this stage. US 30, alright, previous daily high, we spoke about it. That is the level to consider. We are bullish. However, we said the closest place where we've got a key level down here, and the only close key level previous daily high, and then I'm going to say very honestly, if we fail here, all right, if we fail here again and we come back in the Asia range, it is game on for this weekly pivot level, all right? So keep that in mind. Then audio, how's the music, Keegs, all right?
Nah,
Good. Okay. Nasdaq, all right. Nasdaq, again, previous daily high, a lot of price action around that level. Now trading below the weekly R1. AD is arguing that 200. It is going to make a decision here today. There's that key level on the daily. Let me just show you here. Alrighty, right. There you go. I'm bullish on the day. We need to hold this level.
Sorry, just one delay. It cut because our Wi-Fi, but we started up again straight after, brother.
Yeah, we had an issue with the Wi-Fi. There is the odd outside chance that the Wi-Fi cuts again today, Chad, because we're only getting 100 megs. We're supposed to get 500 megs, so we logged the ticket this morning. It's something to do with OpenServe, the actual line, not the ISP.
Andre, I think we'll chat about all of that tonight on the call, bro.
Chad, okay, very simple for me. This entire zone, it's quite a big zone. Oh, not a big zone, 10 points. Okay, that's nothing. Oh yeah, okay, Chad, so this zone here, very simple. That is the zone that we will be focusing on, and then a little bit later, that zone up there. Gold. Hey, Chad, gold has been a love-hate relationship this week. So let's quickly see what are we doing on the daily. I mentioned I'm bullish while we trading above the previous daily high. We had some rejections at the previous weekly high. Gold just absolutely ripping here. Big question now is key level 2357. What is the grid showing me? Remember earlier in the session, I said it just looks too clean for them to take it all the way up here. And we held this level. All right. Still, the 80 is very choppy, Chad. It's showing me a lot of low volume. These are actually low volume moves, you see, because it's very knee jerk. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. For this session, what am I looking at? Let's just quickly go to the 8-hour chart. I want to show you guys something. There's that key level we've got up here, 2357. If you look left with me, you'll see that previously very, very nice area. A lot of reaction off that level. All right. So I want to see what we do when we get up there. All right. Let's just go to the 5-minute. Just Keegs, this thing is so, yeah, the price action here is not very clean, Chad. Look at where the 200 is all the way down here. Yeah, Chad, I don't actually have an answer for you guys here. For me, I want to see some price action. I want to see some levels hold. This morning was very, very simple for me. 2340, 2335. This was my actual trade that I wanted to take this morning. Didn't get my pullback. But for this session, I'm honestly going to just see where we go. But we are still printing bullish here, Chat. So that is me for this session. But just going to take this call quick.
No, all good. So, just answering the guys there. No, bro. If it was like now, then no, I didn't send you a friend request. We've been quite busy today. I'll barely be on the Discord. But just trying to find out you to send what time's the call, Keegs? All of the calls are normally 8:30, bro. It just gives us time to get stuff done. Like for Chris to have dinner, get the kids sorted. For me, I go to gym, get back. So yeah, we normally do 8:30. We're going to try to get that coupon done, bro. As you just said, it's just been a crazy day today. But we'll try to get that done and sorted for you guys. And as you say, just today, really, guys, markets are really, really trending all over the place. But we're going to do something. And one thing, again, I don't want to just say we're looking at it that way, but when you're looking on the 4 hour, that 4 hour did give us a break above here. So it's always nice, but when we do break above, very, very good likely we either have to start running, or you can see literally, so there's the R, that R1. When we start looking at that there, you can see, guys, that is a zone. For example, over here, we've traded up, had rejection just like we did now, and had massive turnarounds. Over there, the same thing, had traded up, pull back all the way back down. So again, if this thing doesn't start turning and burning, very, very good chance market can start rejecting from there, which it's shown before in the past. Remember, we don't really have massive news events that are going to decide it, but on the daily, you can see it over there looking quite strong. And keep in mind, guys, you've had days like that where you have started and done things like this over there. Consider that closed bullish over there. So this market opened like that, traded all the way up, and could still flip bearish. Gold's funny like that. It can hurt you very, very quickly. So that's why, especially going to New York, we're going to have some news. We're going to have some volume. For me, as I said, very, very dependent on what DXY is doing. DXY is going to hopefully tick these boxes for us very, very shortly. So if we don't see any type of reversals there soon, we pretty much can really take those sells off the table. Then technically all I'm going to be looking for is pullbacks to get the buy. So as you can see, we have it a breakaway from the zone with no retest. Then what we'll be looking for is a pullback to that zone to get the entry and then go long. So very, very hopefully, if we can, DXY kind of confirms everything before, which we can really see the indices also come to the party now. So just basically a waiting game for New York session.
Gold. Where do you, yes, gold. Gold is just you know what? We were on the sell, on the buys this entire week so far.
Yeah.
And the one day when it really buys, both of us sell. Yes, dude. This 2350 for me, I almost want to say is going to be the key going into this session. 2350. We just so extended though. But we'll see. I don't mind buying high. Yeah. If there's volume, I never mind buying high. I just need volume. If there's volume in the market, it is very easy to trade.
Yeah, that's true. 10 minutes till NY. That's it, guys.
10 minutes. This is the call. 10 minutes, and we're about to get started here. So, Chad, strap in those bootlaces, get your leverage up, get that margin down, and let's get ready for the session. It is going to be round. Keegan knows what round it is.
Round 6. Yeah.
Nas going to grab liquidity. I've got my liquidity right here, Chad. Liquidity is here with me. Nobody's grabbing my liquidity today. Absolutely not.
Let's see. Yo, Brian, I must say, we're really getting closer to the 10K mark. If we carry on this route, I definitely think when we do the 24-hour stream, like, we could hit 10K on the 24-hour stream.
Where's the sub count now?
9.55. If we imagine, let's just say we finish the day at 9.6. 100% like we could get
I just want to give a shout out to Trading Hub, Gloomy from Trading Hub, sharing our channel on his Telegram group. He's got about 42,000 people on there. So yeah.
Big shout out for that one.
Gloomy, Trading Hub.
What if Gloomy is Vorsi gang?
No, dude. Gloomy is a black dude. Vorsi gang is so white. It is that is such a Afrikaner ding.
Vorsi gang.
He must be good if you take, especially when it comes to finances. if you take somebody seriously, which he goes by the name Vorshi, you must either be very good or the guys are there for the Vorshi and the girls.
Bro, but let's say, hold on.
Vorshi is straight white. Afrikaans.
No, it is.
Hey julle, welkom terug by vandag se stream. Ons braai en ons trade. Ons call it braai trade. Braai trade markets.
You know what just made me think of it, bro? Vorsi gang came over to Peach Nation. That would have been a very bad collaboration.
So, dude. Chad, I unfortunately have a meeting right at the open. It's going to be very quick though. It is for the leaderboard for the Ultimate Trader. So you guys will actually see it on the back end of Vault Funder. Under competitions, if you log into the client dashboard, you are actually going to see who is in the lead for that.
Oh, so people that aren't even in it can't see it, or only people that are in it?
No. Everybody will be able to see.
They'll all be able to see who's leading. Shoo!
We're going to try and put some tags on there.
Until I'm basically locked in on gold, bro. We want to see this.
Wiki markets, bro. That is something I feel like Vorshi markets will put out there. Is Wiki markets. So leaderboard, you obviously have that, and then there's the competition section. Where is the competitions? Yeah, so there under competitions, you will see the Ultimate Trader.
Danny Phantom. I don't know if it's the prayers or what, but I've been slightly happier since I started watching you guys. I'm grateful. I appreciate it, bro, but I'm glad to see you killing it, my man. I swear every day I see that man's there tagging us.
Who, Danny?
Just
Danny
profits
P.
the whole time, yeah.
Danny P. Danny P in the OP.
5 more minutes. Will we be receiving confirmation emails regarding the Ultimate Trader?
No.
That I don't know with that one.
No. Once you've registered, you're on, my brother. Once you've registered, you're on. You don't have to do anything.
What is the starting date for the Ultimate Trader?
We're gonna check today. I want to unofficially start on Monday, but we'll just see. I just want to see if I can get the leaderboard going before the weekend. Should be an easy thing. I don't think there's gonna be any issues there.
I just realized something, bro.
What's that?
I've got this buy and sell on my
Buy and sell on your
trading view,
yeah. That's if you link your broker.
but it's not linked.
No. You have to link your
So if
your
I click
broker.
it, yeah, nothing's gonna happen.
No. Unless you've linked it to a demo account. You can link it to a demo.
No, I'm just saying I wasn't linked to my other account. Okay, that's chilled. Where did that come from? Is that this? Yeah. Can I get rid of it? How do I take it off?
KXDH throwing a dono there.
Oh, DH.
DH
Bad
is
day
always...
to be a TP. Oh, yeah.
Sheesh. Okay.
If you want to see how it's going but you didn't enter, how do you go about it? You go to leaderboard and then competition, eh?
Yeah, there's nothing. There's just saying coming soon.
Yeah. So that will be there Wednesday.
Okay.
I wanted to tell you guys from the previous session, but I thought I should give you guys a break. Nah, bro, it's chill. We love seeing it. We always say, guys, to the guys in the group as well, like, that's why we purely didn't make a profits win section, because like we want guys to post, but for some reason our community, the guys are scared to show their profits. So I don't know why. But we got Krog in the building.
Crows.
So this is the one. Sorry, so Krog last time I thought it was Crocs, but it's Krog.
Krog one.
Right.
Krog one for the bar. TPs are getting absolutely mauled here today. Chad, do you still see that little pop up there when somebody does a dono?
I haven't seen one since they've done it.
Have you not seen it?
I saw in the London session. I haven't seen anything now.
It comes up like a little pop up. Just go to settings, try and switch off answer. Keeks, 2350 Chad. That's my level for the open. I'm gonna be real quick, and then I'll see you guys now.
Trading and switch. Trading. There we go. I don't know where that came on, but all right. And that's it, guys. Hey, I saw the little jumpy jack thingy now. Yeah. Keys, you click on cash for the charge settings and go to trade and disable buy sell. Alright. Tell you guys on what should we take you guys, Insta or Insta, but anything you want to post on, bro. And markets are 40 seconds. They're not open yet. W donos. I don't see it. I caught Naz at the bottom. It's moving down. Kroger donated 14. Hey, there we go. Okay, so it's a bit delayed, but it's there now. There's slash. Did you see it now? Okay. Remember, we want to see if gold's gonna fight back. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. What are we ready for? Markets are open. Round 6. Fight. Alright. So NASDAQ, we see that little bit of a bullish push now. USD, alright. Keys, send you a Discord DM or a project that I'm busy with. I'll check it now, brother. I get a bit of a gap, yeah. Let's see, so is DXY taking shots? We got our 50-minute shuffle, and then we got the news coming out. So Naz fighting back as well. Seems Naz and USD trying to go bullish. My trading view is frozen. So we just waiting, yeah. There we go. Okay, USD basically at the highs, but back at that rejection zone. So we'll see if it gets through that. Nas going very much bullish. So let's see. That is. DXY not really moving yet, Chad. So not too much. You're just seeing the indices start to run though. Remember, guys, if this thing does pull back till the and we see in DXY not doing anything yet, those bars are on the right. Yeah, waiting for that 15-minute opening range. So what we're waiting for, guys. Let's see. Okay, DXY not really fighting. Yeah. If those numbers, that's the whole thing. Remember, guys, if those numbers do not in the news events come out in dollar's favor, this thing is gonna have a lot of pain here today. One thing I want you guys to take note of though with gold, also, guys, is when we start looking at this AD. Why is my AD not showing? There we go. When you start looking at the AD, we really have been having a dip. Now, the long, yes, when we do have the dips, we have crossovers and you can have the big move to the top side. But when we have the major big breakaways, as you can see, it's almost like one-way motion where the fact we're grinding it out, we're not doing really too much. So it shows that it's holding, but at the same time, we kind of at a high. So I want you guys just to imagine this like a part like this now. You've basically been doing this. So can you see that over there? You trade in there. Now, if this was that final break where we're talking about grinding it out, we're holding that AD, and then the next time, if we get back under it again, it can be bringing a lot of pain, because that you can see was the high, and we're starting to lose that momentum. So again, even the AD just starting to show us a bit of like where that buying power is at. And that's just something we want to be taking note of, at least trying to give us also a bit of an insight into this. Approaching a young 10k sub soon. Yeah, bro, it's going to be crazy when we get there. It's been a journey, but it's going to be absolutely crazy when we get there. Since we've had the open, haven't done much in the crossover period yet. London session, pretty much just a dull. When we opened up bullish was the open of the New York session. So again, what are we going to do here? Nasdaq already above Asia highs as well now. So you can see that over there. US city, as I said, guys, bullish, but that rejection zone, got to be careful of that one. And DXY, as I said, not really doing much just of yet. So let's see what happens there, guys. Keys, just remember there's a red fold and you said 4 for the funded account. Yeah, bro. So actually, guys, a little inside. So we got hold of a guy we could chat to last night. Very, very insightful. So for anyone else, if they do trade FTMO, so firstly, FTMO, again, they do have a news trading rule. It's a 2 minute before and 2 minutes after any market executions are forbidden. So that means a take profit, a stop loss, manual open or close, any type of thing is forbidden. But that is for FTMO traders. Now, basically, that is a live account. FTMO challenge, which is phase 1, and verification, which is phase 2. That is, or even a demo FTMO swing account. You can do what you want. It doesn't apply there. So literally, that's how Chris and myself were technically fine. We actually, myself especially, because obviously mine hits a stop loss, which even though it was break even, it hit that, which was a close. It was a market execution. I actually would have breached yesterday. But other than that, yeah, so because these are still phase 1 accounts, we actually can trade the news event with them. Looking for shorts on gold. Neo, we're with you there, bro. We're just trying to wait and see what happens. But again, watching for that news. I'm waiting for DXY to try come to the party. Yo, we are waiting for that 15-minute shuffle, guys. Guys, as a beginner, where to start on US 30? When we say beginner, bro, how far are you? Otherwise, first thing I'd say is go do baby pips. But I'm just gonna go peek with guys. Lewin, we also agree on the sell-off, bro. Hey Chad, you look like you guys are having a great time, yeah? On 2 Marks Trading. I don't know, that could be a TV show, bro. 2 Marks Trading. Stay away from Houston. So let's see. Ow. Alright. They're rejecting a bit there. But DXY is still not doing anything, guys. Not showing us, giving us any comfort over here at the moment. Yeah, the bears are fighting, but no consistency. That's 100%, bro. You know, guys, I think, you know what this all comes down to was our economist Bevan over there. He told us this morning there was that, what was it, a bear? Or a shark. Shark attacked a penguin or something in Ukraine. So we could expect geopolitical tensions to rise. I think that's what's driving gold, yo, guys. That's currently what's driving gold. You know, it's a safe haven. That's what's causing all this now. The penguin survived. Oh, yo, guys. See, that's that whole thing about the underdog. Yeah, the Ukrainian shark attack. That's it. That's it, guys. So this is the whole thing. People were worried. They were stressed. So this was when the stress was happening and they were doing that. Then this is when the penguin was sent into the EU. And then it was in the intensive care unit, really fighting out. And now we just found out he survived. And this is where everyone's just celebrating. That guys, that explains it all now. That just makes sense. Where's the other economist? Which one? Gold is on steroids from Kenya. Yeah, gold is. The thing is, also we want to see that retest, guys. Remember, typical zone. So my thing is, I'm not going to complain tomorrow. Tomorrow we close. Yeah, tomorrow very nice day to trade. But yeah, just depends where we close here now. Because now that the thing is for me, which I'm very happy, is that we finally then broke out of this range over here. So we finally get to leave this alone, this range, and move into the next range. So I can take that. That is at least a small win for us, depending at the end of this day. King Shaq, the economist. King Shaq's in the metaverse, bro. He's in the metaverse fighting for it. I don't know who other stream he's trying to go have that main character energy on now. But he's there, bro. He's there in those dark corners lurking. We just can't hear him or see him, but he's there lurking. US market closed tomorrow for July the 4th. Is the market literally closed? Isn't it just a bank holiday? Get a gold really just going for it, eh? Keys, if you get a chance later, check my last post in the Only Chart server. I swing 4-hour moves. Oh, yeah, I'll definitely check it out, bro. Bank holiday. Majority of the markets are closed tomorrow. Really? Oh, damn. Keys, market closes earlier today, even in the US, I think. Stock exchange closed. Oh, okay. I check. Okay, I'm with you. Or the GSP trading live tomorrow, bank holiday. That's the thing, guys. If the pairs which we've really been focusing on lately, if they all closed, then I don't know if we're really going to trade. I think Chris and I will talk about that. But yeah, that actually makes it a bit interesting for tomorrow then. How does it close early? They have FOMC. What, like the actual FOMC tomorrow? No, no, that's just the minutes. Remember, that's not FOMC. The main FOMC, I think, is in 2 weeks, if I'm correct. 2 or 3 weeks, I think. What day are we on? Yeah, I think it's the 20 something. Especially a day before NFP, yeah, definitely be interesting. Are there rules regarding news for the VF account? Nah, you can trade news, you can do whatever you want, bro. London session should still at least have some moves. Yeah, we'll check, bro. The thing is, remember, even if we've been trading gold lately, if gold's going to be closed, it'll be interesting. Technically, gold isn't the US market, but I mean, it is still, it's backed against the dollar, so that's what I say. It says FOMC meeting minutes at 8 o'clock. Yeah, but I'm saying, but that's not FOMC. That's just the minutes. So meeting minutes is literally they're just going to discuss what basically happened at the previous FOMC. Keys will also be going for the FOMC, or does only FNB and CPI make the list? What do you mean going for? As in like trading for it? But nah, bro, we don't really. If there's something major that happens, 100%. But that's, we remember the group last time, Andre. We all watched it together, the last FOMC. So when it is FOMC, we'll do it again. But as I say, this isn't FOMC tonight. It's just the minutes. The battery guy. No stress, bro. No stress.
The bars.
Nah. I said to them I was still waiting for my.
No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't have taken it. There was, I think, on the news. Yeah. No? No, the news came out now.
Yeah, news just came out now. Actually, that's the thing. Where did it come out as?
Chad, sorry, man. I was referring to this when I said before I left 2350.
So finals, sorry guys, finals actually a little bit of an increase. Nothing, again, not a runaway, but a bit of an increase.
Okay. All right.
Bro, so we were talking about this now. Are we going to trade tomorrow?
4th of July.
Everything's closed.
London is open. We'll.
No, but I'm saying, so we just, but that's actually a question. Technically, gold's against the dollar. Does gold also close?
No.
Yeah, so gold was there open.
No. Gold is a globalized commodity.
No, that's what I was saying to the guys. I just wanted to confirm that with you. But obviously, NAS, USD, DXY, they'll all be dead.
Not DXY. Remember, DXY is most heavily weighted in the euro. So I think.
So that as well. So alright, guys. So we'll still trade.
Morning.
If anything, we'll trade London tomorrow, though. I think we just won't trade New York session then. Do you guys say? Well, there you go. Slash, you just answered. So yeah, just a London session tomorrow.
Okay. Yana, I think gold's still gonna have volume. My big question now is what do we do here? What's up?
Do we take the buys from the R3?
No, we have to.
R3,
We have to.
bro, but here's my thing.
No,
When last did you see a pair not even go from like taking off the daily ranges, but doing a weekly
R3.
trading to a weekly R1 to a weekly R2? Like that is massive, bro, in a day.
Okay, DX was at the previous weekly low. Okay, wow, what am I doing? Yo, I feel so out of it.
GJ.
here.
Okay, remember that, bro. We'll try to.
What is GJ?
No, the battery guy is like, if you guys remember it, his actual name is GJ for future preferences. There's more personal.
Who's GJ?
The battery guy.
Oh, is his name GJ?
Yeah.
No, man. For reals. For the reals.
But in Afrikaans.
Yeah. I actually had a friend, his brother was Tia.
Okay, but that's also quite a normal
TJ,
English
yeah.
one, like TJ then. Yeah. TJ Hunt.
Oh, my boy, TJ. Shaq's obviously in the cells. Chad, Shaq cell, be honest.
I don't know. I haven't seen Quentin yet, Joe, in the chat.
Quentin, anyone in Shaq's? I think Shaq.
Shack attack
should-
must. Yo, bro, but. That's the thing, bro. I hate that because a little bit of that confluency. Like, you want to sell this now looking at. It's the same with us with gold. Like, to try sell this now knowing what dollar's doing.
No, I just know how Shaq Attack trades, and I think that's his trade there, if I'm not mistaken.
To be fair, like, if anything, the Nope went buy and out.
Buy and out.
Wait, when did he buy? As in, like, TP or did he hit stop? Because when did he buy? He wanted to go sell, but decided to buy.
What?
Stop loss. Okay.
What?
Why would he buy? To
That
be
is
fair,
weird.
wait, hold on, bro, hold on. But remember, we spoke about this before. When we see that one thing that gives him the signal,
Yeah.
remember where we've had a close in a certain way, he's closed differently.
Yeah.
So maybe he's
okay.
closed differently again today.
Sure, there. I must chat to Shaq. Yeah, Shaq's coming in tomorrow. Shaq
Attack will be here tomorrow.
Alrighty, gang. Dollar's just dying, Chad. I don't know how we're gonna get into gold longs here. We're already up almost $30.
Shaq on a small losing streak.
Who said that?
Kalen. You know, guys, so that's my thing. Again, no, like, we love Shaq. Shaq's our boy. Literally, Chris was with him today. He's coming into the office tomorrow. But really, that's the thing. We all trade like that. Again, people will praise you because they see you either on a win streak, or you hit one or two massive trades. Then you're on a thing. But again, you can quickly give it all back. I mean, for example, I hit 4R with the one stop yesterday, and there was a hiccup thing on the bloody bot earlier. I'm basically at 2%. So 2%'s already been given back as well for the week. So again, it's not saying like you bad traders, but you're going to have losses. But end of the day, for example, you're still up on the week. So even with Shaq now, he can still be on a bit of a losing streak, but he'll still be up. I'm pretty sure he's up, unless if he started over leveraging. Well, not over leveraging, but just increasing what he's risking. Otherwise, he should still be up.
Bro, if they're following other people's trades, they shouldn't complain at all. 100%.
No, Kayla, I'm not saying you're saying anything bad, bro. I wasn't talking about you. I'm talking about people in general. How even like with Chris and me, people will praise us when we for example, like Monday, Tuesday, giving out wins. And then, for example, if we take a trade today now, here we hit a stop. Yes, bro. Then the haters are there. Like, what a cut trade.
To sell.
Yeah,
And you
so-
bought.
Yeah, it's not saying you said, bro.
Chad, remember when I said NASDAQ again? I don't know what's going on here. Bullish on the day for NASDAQ. US 30, I was bullish. However, US 30 just tanking here. Gold, okay, gold. Chad, we missed 23.50. 23.55. Are we going to hold 23.55? Are we going to buy high?
Bro, to be fair, hey,
R3.
who said it there now? What's the name? About Lofi. So, to be fair, I think we'll give the credit to him. We said it could go both ways. We were 1.7 R up on the trade, and it turned around. So, technically, the guys did they closed and had their profits. I took a break even, but it did turn around. Lofi called it 23.60, so it's a little bit short.
Lofi, come back. Where's Lofi?
My only problem with the trade is I don't know how big his stops are. I don't trade with massive stops because if he was taking it where I took it, he literally, your stop alone is 40 pips, which I don't really like. But maybe he has a massive stop. Then he is in this.
Chad,
we'll give the credit.
Chad, like I've said it so many times, I don't trade for a win streak. I trade to be positive at the end of the month, and how I get there is irrelevant to me. And if I'm going to be phased about what somebody says on the stream, I'm not going to be able to trade well, because then I'm trading for what somebody says. So I trade the way that I've been trading, and if it works for you, beautiful. And I've said it so many times, even when we started the streams, I said if you stick around long enough and we are so bad, then just do the opposite. Then at least you've got a contrarian indicator to say, like, these guys always lose. Just do the opposite, you're going to make money. Then at least there's value in that. Then you've think critically, and there's a strategy. And then maybe we even start fading ourselves. Do we have toilet paper?
What is Bro, old office, new office. Chris still has to miss coffee the whole time.
Dude, and there, I think for the guys, the older traders, trader Tom Dante spoke about this one mate that was on a group. And this is really a big boy. And all he did was he faded everyone in that group. And trader Tom Dante came to him the one day. They were having a few pints, and he said, "Listen, how do you do it? Like, just be honest. Like, I'm now at this stage. I want to know how you do it." And it's like, "Listen, I'm on this group, and I just fade everybody there because I've gathered the stats. And when the guy closes it." So listen, this is how deep that guy analyzed. He said this guy gets into some very good trades. The trades that work out, he usually closes early. So if he closes early, he actually adds onto his position. Dante said, okay. He said, then also what I've seen is that a lot of times when he gets stopped, he's actually into the right direction, but he first gets stopped. So where he's stopped, he would a lot of times take another entry there, add on to it, double his stop loss, put another trade there. So he actually utilized, like I said, if you go onto a streamer and you critically analyze them and they provide you data, good or bad, it is your job now to analyze all of that data and to say, all right, Keegan and Chris is usually late to the move. So if they say in the morning they want to buy at the open, most probably you're going to eat profit. Or if they selling quite late into the session, they're on the wrong side, whatever. And you build a formula around it, okay? So...
You said that, bro. Talk about that now. I'm going to take Aubrey's trades, bro. Aubrey, I want to be in your signal group, bro.
Where's Aubrey?
Aubrey's in school, bro. Man's in school. Yet every day that man's here like, 4 TPs hit, 2 TPs hit, 3 TPs hit. Like,
I
want
think
them,
no,
bro.
but you know what? I think his mom is watching the stream and he's saying that so she can fund him. That is why Aubrey,
I want your trades, bro. I want those.
Aubrey, Stouter, Kabouter.
I wonder what's the average age of all the chat. I know it's off topic, but kind of cool to think about. I reckon it's between like 18 and 30. 100%. I mean, if we just look at our social followings, I don't know what yours is, but I know mine is the 20. What's it, 22 or 23 to 27, 26, 28. That's like my main popular group. And then the second one is the older one, the
27 and then 27 to 35.
Yeah, I know my main one's basically the 20s, the mid 20s. Then second is it's actually a very close one between either the high 20s, early 30s, and between the 18s and early 20s. So yeah, if you had to put it all together, between 18 and like 34, 35, I'd say is like the average age group.
Okay, so we're buying. What did Mo do in his strat?
Aubrey. Where's
Aubrey Sachs. Okay, Mo bought this morning. Alright, so Mo is eating deep blues. Whoa, a little Gaparino here.
Oh, there's some news. What did it come out as?
Shit.
What did it come out as?
Massive miss. Services. Big miss, Chad.
Yeah, that's it done for. Yo, look at NASDAQ, bro. Look at NASDAQ.
Yo, gap up, gap down.
NASDAQ just blew people's accounts, bro.
Gap down.
Oh my word. Whoever was trading that news event, you just got nuked. That was like a warm-up for what NFP is going to do. Like gap up, quick 20k, and then minus 80k.
Baza, stop that. Just entered before gap, man. Come on. Stop that.
What, on gold?
I don't know.
Because if it was the other two, bro.
Yeah, Chad, I wanted to look potentially long here, 23.55, because everything is still showing bullish here. But
if we get a retest of the R3, we'll go, guys.
We're now heading to the weekly R2, bro. I don't know. I think we've been so spoiled with the volume these past couple of days where
a
little chef's kiss here.
Emotions are high. Hashtag chalk support group.
US 30. Yo, Chad, this is...
I'm dead kablowy.
Yo.
Nah, bro, that was big. That was big.
I honestly don't know what to say. Like, how do we trade this?
Yeah.
Okay, Keeks, firstly, we need to chat about this. I need to chat about this.
What are we talking about? Your $5 range. You know who?
No. What did I chat?
But hold it. You know your $5 grid?
Yeah.
There's another trader I see that's implemented the $5 grid now.
At least the boys learn. Huh? At least the boys. I hope they at least give credit. Like at least Chad. Okay. So what did I say this morning? And Keeks, look here. All right.
You want to point a few more arrows to bullish. The bulele.
Let me chat. Dude, how do we yo. Okay, Chad, I can't even say get ready for something aggressive because everything is already aggressive. Be aggressive.
No, if you just trade in today, you trade in aggressive.
Chad, I think it's time for the 1 minute. 1 minute.
Bro.
I'm gonna short this 1 minute.
I know it sounds bad, but I was about to say I'm gonna short.
I'm gonna short this 1 minute. I'm just waiting for Chad on the 1 minute. If it closes below here, it needs to close below there. I need to see a top wick first if it closes below. And then on the break of that low, I'm coming for that gap fill.
No, bro, so hear me out. Just hear me out. Legit now.
Okay, legit.
PMR was Monday, the previous one.
Mm-hmm.
Came out lower,
Yeah,
which was dollar weakness. And it missed. Big miss.
yeah.
It flipped and became dollar strength. Dollar made its comeback after that. Same way we've seen with every other news event.
Are you talking about last week? That
No,
initial?
on Monday, when I took the sell.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah.
made my other two R on the sell.
Yeah.
Now, it gapped down, but it's at my key area now. Key area and the daily S3.
Where's your key there?
On the S3, basically.
A dollar now.
On dollar.
Okay.
What if it turns to fill that gap and flips again like it did on Monday? Then again, I'm not saying they're going to reverse the whole move. Like, you're not going all the way to Asia highs, but you can get a trade.
A retrace. Yeah.
Like, even for us now. Like
Dude,
a
I'm going to take
retrace-
this on the 1 minute.
Like a
1
retrace to the weekly resistance on gold.
Chad, let's see. Okay. I've got sell stops here. Okay. Sell stops here. Sell stops here. Not active there. We're going to have to go like a 32.
False for me. For me, it is kind of aligning, brother. It is.
Chad, I'm on the 1 minute here. Let's see if we get it. Sell stops for this little gap close here. You can't trade this thing. Our volatility is you can't trade it on the 5. You'll. Okay.
Yeah, guys, just everyone, please take a screenshot of this.
What's that?
We've got Chris trading on the 1 minute. I think this is the first, Chad.
Okay, no, delete. No. Okay, it's still going. You can't even go bar stops. Yeah, here's the thing though. This is a valid continuation break, but there's no bottom wick yet. There's still that open gap, bro. I don't know. Do you think they're gonna leave an open gap for NFP?
No, Danny, you can do anything on Vault Funder, other than like.
Just not cheat on your wife.
But you can trade news. You can.
Keeks,
do
let's
anything.
go bar stop. Okay, Chad.
2 minutes ago it was a sell stop.
No, but listen, yeah. This thing has got. Chad, I'm gonna go bar stop.
You know how much of degenerates we sound like.
No.
Okay, to be fair.
Bar stop here. Let's see. The thing is, there's volume here. There's a lot of volume. Okay. I'm gonna go very tight because it's a 1 minute. We're gonna go 22 bar stop. We're gonna go for that monthly R2.
Okay, wait. Where
Monthly
are we
R2.
entering? Where are we entering?
A break of these eyes. Not active yet. Bar stops. Okay.
I don't know how I let you talk me into this shit.
Are you also having bar stops?
I'll do it with you.
There's volume here, bro.
Oh, guys,
There's volume.
This is live DJ activities.
Let's see. It needs to be quick though. It needs to be real quick. This is the weekly eye, session eye, everything eye.
I'm with you, bro. I'm with you.
Let's see. Otherwise, if we break that, yeah, I'm gonna be nimble here, Keeks. I'm gonna be nimble. There's volume. Not gonna lie. There's volume.
For me, I still want my cells. So I'm only doing the bar stop with you. Otherwise, I want my cell, bro.
Okay, let's see Chad. 10 seconds. Okay, bar stop still there. Could be a quick one.
Chris's casino is open. Chris working for NAC. Just do it. No, I don't.
Okay, a mic.
A mug.
Oh, mic. No, I'm still solid. 1 minute, Chad. Who ever thought we'll get onto the 1 minute here?
Oh, Chad. Good times, Chad. Here
we go. 1 1 minute. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Is there more news coming? Okay, I'm in, Chad. I'm in. Let me just pull my stop. Yeah, activated me. Your 22 pips look tiny, my bro.
So you're in without me, bro. You're in without me.
Okay,
I'm in with you.
Okay,
I'm just gonna manually do this thing because.
Chad, I'm in. Again, please, if this is very risky business here.
You talked us into this.
So I want to see a quick. We're already at the R2. Might as well just run the R2 now. Just go for it. Don't play with us. Come. Don't play with us, player. All right, go for it. No bottom wick on this 1 minute. Don't like that necessarily, but. Alrighty, let's go. Gold. Might as well just run for it. Also, DXY almost at that key level. Just flush it now. Little blow off top here. Just blow these sellers that's still trying to sell it. Just blow them. Blow them out now.
I don't know how Chris spoke us into this, Chad.
No, this is my trade. Nobody needs to take this with me. This is just me getting into some trades here. The reason I think it could work and it also could not work is because I even got sucked into trying to sell a little bit earlier in the session. So how many other traders do you think are trying to sell here? And also DXY is dying here. So let's see. DXY is. Maybe I'll drop another nugget here for you guys. I'm going to drop another nugget. I dropped a nugget here this morning. I'm going to drop another one for you. If you weren't here this morning, some of you I know made notes. I'm going to drop another nugget here for you. I'm actually going to print this out for me and Keegan so that we don't forget it. I'll still remember it mentally.
Uh-huh.
Let me just get it quickly.
Oh, really? This is like the definition of degen activity.
Where did I... Okay. I'm actually going to give you guys 4. I'm going to give you 4 little tools. Okay. I'm going to give you 4.
Wait, how big is your stop?
22 pips.
Okay.
It's less than 1%. It's like 0.8. Chad. Use it, don't use it. Take a screenshot. Principle 1. A trend has a higher probability of continuation than reversal. Principle 2. Momentum precedes price. Principle 3. Trends end in a climax. Principle 4. The market alternates between range expansions and range contraction. Okay. This is the only bullet that I will use today for this session. Still in, out. Okay. Why do we take the buys here? Because principle 3, trends end in a climax. All right. So you've got that chance where price is just gonna push up, where, for instance, guys selling here are gonna give up the sells, and they're gonna say, "Flip, maybe I'm on the wrong side," or they're gonna continuously add on to their sells, and this thing is just going to continually push. All right. How did the 5 close? Did that thing sniff me? Anyways.
I'm still in.
Are you still in? What was your stop? This thing literally...
2360.32.
No, that's me for the session. I wanted a climax move here. Like honestly, with that gap up, I want it to go quick. Like there maybe we can reverse, but yeah, I'm not gonna try and sell this. Not gonna try and sell this at all out of the hourly. No. So I'm down 0.75%, Chad. 0.75%.
Yeah, but dollars is dying.
Okay, there's the dollar. Like I said, it's more likely to go here than go there, down here. I'm gonna be so bleak if gold.
I'm not even at break even yet, bro. So don't worry.
Where did you? Oh, but you're in profit.
I'm
but
not
you
in profit.
on what time frame did you enter there?
I'm not in profit yet. I'm still fighting to get in profit there, bro.
If this thing is gonna run now.
Now I'm in profit.
Fuck. Anyways,
I don't know if it's gonna run yet. I don't know about that
22.
yet.
Why did I? No. I'm done. This idea could have worked. It can still work. If you're in, Chad, I don't know what your stop was. This idea could still very likely. We're so close to this level here. It's going to be polarized to go and hit that level. It's almost a magnet for price. DXY also below that key level, just dying off here. US 30 just doing a chopperino here. Nasdaq giving that chef's kiss. I don't know. You can't trade it on the 5 minutes really. I don't know how you would have entered it. Gold.
Don't worry, bro. I'm still fighting, yeah. I'm still fighting, bro. I'm doing it for you.
Okay. But yeah, Chad, that's me for the session. I think I'm down 1.7% on the day. Remember, I didn't take those other two trades Monday, Tuesday on the funded account.
I'm fighting for the both of us. I'm fighting for the both of us, Chris.
If you TP on this is so wrong on so many levels. This is. Let's go over to Keeks. I'm out, Chad. Let's run with Keeks. Yeah.
Bro, this is just fighting break even. That's pretty much all I'm doing, yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm done for the session. I'm done. My idea, I had some very good ideas, like any good trader. The one idea was this morning. 2340. Go and rewatch. I must actually go and rewatch that stream. 2340 was the one idea that you guys clapped. That was the one. The second good idea was 2350 at the open. There she goes. Fuck you, bro. Like, honestly. Chad, I just want to show you guys quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna screenshot it. Like when I say I was tipped out. Let me just show this to you. It's not even like, I know a lot of guys are like, I've been tipped out. Let me just show you this.
Bro, to be fair, it's not a done deal yet. I mean, I'm like 0.3
Nah,
out.
bro, it's a done deal. That thing is here's the thing, bro. How many retail traders are trying to short into this? Think about it. It's just to short here.
No,
and
on that note, I get what you're
easy.
saying.
Chad, that is literally that on the 1 minute. Check here. that was me, bro. There, look at that. Literally, my stop was the bottom of that move. My stop was the bottom. My goodness. No, Kiggs, I think you guys are good. It's just polarizing to that level. In all honesty, I cannot. Not now, not before lunchtime. It is only, I would say roundabout in 40 minutes maybe. If the dollar bears start coming in. But other than that, I think you guys are solid. Let's just go back to you.
Nah, bro, it's not done yet. I can still be taken out here very quickly.
Gold. 1 minute strat.
That's what I'm saying here, bro. This isn't a done deal yet.
Okay, now I can read the chat. Cry a little bit. Read the chat.
Yeah, not a done deal just yet, bro.
Okay, Chris, you have the best setups. Just make those stops bigger and lower the risk so you can hold. No, my risk is very tiny, bro. The risk on that trade was 0.8%. No, so my risk is not bigger. The thing is, that the way that I trade, you don't need big stops.
Bro, but to be fair, on the 5 minute, look at that, eh? I haven't moved my stop. I also just survived it.
What was your stop? Yeah, the thing is, technically I should have gone a bigger stop. But the thing is also, where we are trading now, it is so volatile that you don't want this thing to even do any guesswork there.
Yeah.
So that is why you're putting the stop on and you're ready to take it. So if it's gonna move, it's gonna move, Chad. There's no reason, especially after a news event, we need to give something room to breathe. It should just move.
I think it's going for me now, bro. That little wick to the bottom side, closing bearish now.
Kaylan, I've seen gold hold a gap open for 2 weeks. I think all of you guys were on here. We've seen gold hold a gap open for 2 weeks. So it's not necessarily always that a gap's going to close in the session. A lot of times a gap can be open, like you can see a Monday gap open, and on Friday during the news only does that gap get closed. So I think there's a lot of indecision in the market, and I think it's very, very one-sided here. I think also personally for me, my bias this morning was the correct one when I said I'm bullish while trading above the previous daily high. And I think what threw me off was the fact that we didn't have any retrace. And also the fact that we were going into some news events on the day where I thought, okay, maybe they parked the bus closer.
There it goes.
Are you out?
There we go, I'm out.
Trade alerts. Let's see how stop looks. Closed due to stop loss.
Yeah.
Closed due to stop loss. 3 minutes, 44. You were in 12 minutes.
I told you that in there, but it wasn't done deal. That was coming back.
Yeah, I'm not taking any part. I will not be partaking in any of this price action.
Nah.
Tomorrow, what do we have tomorrow? Yeah, it's not even choppy. I think I just broke not even my rules. There were setups, but the idea is that you trade with the trend. Remember those 4 steps that I gave you? A trend is more likely to continue than to reverse. Okay. All right, so we've got FOMC. Oh, damn. FOMC minutes tonight. I don't think anything, unless they report anything new, Chad, nothing's going to happen during FOMC minutes. I hope nobody's saying, oh, we're trading FOMC tonight. It is just minutes. It's what they chatted about in the meeting before. During the meeting, what they chatted, the previous FOMC. So we just get the minutes later, a month later. Thursday. Sorry, so tomorrow is basically chalked for NYSE. So we only have a London session. We've got some data coming out of the Swissy, factory orders out of Germany, parliamentary election in Britain. The UK parliamentary released, elects 650 members to the lower house of parliament. It is a significant event to determine the appropriate stance of monetary policy and assesses the risk to its long-run goals of price stability. Yeah, chat, and then Friday, obviously Friday, big one, big one, big one. Nasdaq, gold, Chopperino,
No, these markets are messy right now.
Meserino.
I mean, even NAS and USD, I don't see how anyone's going to actually get a good trade off of those.
Choppy AFS, yeah, it's choppy chat. Nothing wrong with trading in a choppy market. But winners know when to stop. Yeah, I'm not partaking in any of this any longer. I still feel the monthly R2. How is it possible that the monthly R2 and the weekly R2 are on top of one another? Where's your weekly R2? Also up there, yeah. This is the choppiest session I've seen in a while. Yes, definitely. NFP week is always a mess. 100% agree.
Monthly R1 is above us, so it's only the weekly R2 that's there.
Chad, here's the thing with NFP week. Remember, the monthly candles closed last week, end of last week. So we are establishing the top and the bottom wicks for the monthly candles. So that is why the first 7 days of the market is usually the opposite end of the range. And then we flip to the other side. US 30, anyone? No, not for me. I still have to drive home. I think it's very simple though. If you want to take something, this is the level where you want to take the shorts.
Screen there, bro.
Go to my screen. Previous daily high, multiple breaks above it, failure to hold above it. So this level here, this is where you want to trade from. However, I would wait for it to come back inside of the Asia range, and I would wait for it to close below here. The 200, remember the 200 is a dynamic support and resistance. The way it's trading here, absolutely don't want to get involved in anything here. If you want to get involved there, Nasdaq, previous daily high here as well, and then the weekly R1 Asia lows, chop. Not interested as well. Gold, let's quickly check gold. Yeah, gold I think is done for the session.
Yeah. I'm not going to check anything yet, bro. This is a messy session.
So there was that this morning, that key level there. There's that key level. We actually gapped above it. So yeah, that is daily. Look at this on the daily. Sheesh. Keeks, we're heading for the monthly R1, my bro. There. But let's see.
Yeah, that is not on the cards.
Yes, they're going to keep you in a 95. Yes, Kalen, these markets are just going to put us right back into a corner and say, hey, what have you two boys been doing? Yeah. Keeks, I don't know, you're still going to take anyone in as sales. Was 2 pips away from stop loss, holding like a champ. Luan Rademeyer. Nasdaq sells. Where did you sell from, my brother? No. That's not for me. Keeks, not this year.
No.
Not for me. Nasdaq, chef's kiss.
Not interested.
Sell stops on this 5 and gold. Oh, that's going for that gap close. You know what? I was part of the wet powder game today.
Wait.
You know what? Because the volume was so clean yesterday and Monday. you almost you want to trade. You want to get your powder wet. And I was part of the wet powder gang. There's only one cat brave enough to full margin.
Bro, I'll take a sell now. I wanted the sells. I'll take one.
Yeah, but from where? Where are we trading from? That's the thing. I'm not trading. I'm not trading from anything, bro. This thing is like, I'm not trading from a weekly R2. I'm not trading.
No, but DXY is coming back from the S2 holding it with the reversal pattern.
Now we have the reversal pattern. Let's see gold here. Is gold.
Hear me out, bro. Hear me out.
Okay. I actually have a headache now. Chad.
You just gotta have faith, bro. Just a little bit of faith.
On what do you want to short though? On the 15?
The 15.
Are you waiting for this 15 in 20 seconds?
Nah, more the 5.
It's 15 seconds.
Oh, well, the 15 as well, so... But the 5's giving us the...
Bro, you don't even have a zone. Not even...
you closed under 2360.
Are you saying last bullet here?
Last bullet,
on the
bro.
5. Last. On the break of the lows. It has to break the low.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you flip bearish now.
Okay, Chad, last bullet for me. Last little. Are you lying?
I promise I will. I promise.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it with
Chad, last bullet, yeah. Last bullet.
Oh, Chad, we just catch our kake today. Please don't take these trades with us if you don't want to.
22 pips. Let's make it 30 pips. Daily R3. Sell stop not activated yet, Chad. Are we targeting 2350? Where's that key level? Okay, 2357 is the level we need to hold.
Nah, I'm leaving it, bro. Screw that. I'm leaving it.
Are you leaving it?
I'm leaving it. I'm not gonna touch it.
Okay, I'm also deleting it.
I'm not gonna do it. This thing's just choppy.
Why though? But the 15 looks good though. Look, this is what I like about the 15. It's an engulfing candle. It took the previous 15 high. There's no bottom wick on this current 15. It's pushed up. There's a little bit of a gap there. I think they call abandoned baby, if I'm not mistaken.
What?
Yeah, bro, I know all of these things. Abandoned. Is that spelled correctly?
Abandoned baby.
Did you know about the abandoned baby formation?
No.
Okay, it's a thing, but it's basically the abandoned baby has 2 gaps. I think that's dark cloud covers. So it's basically a gap down and then a gap back up. So they call it abandoned baby because there's gaps on either side. But then a dark cloud cover. Dark cloud. No, Chad, which is the other one with one-sided gaps? The dark cloud formation. This is the dark cloud formation on the 15. There. Dark cloud cover, close of day 1. Oh no, it's when it gaps up here. Sorry. That the 15, no.
Nah, bro. I'm not doing it. That's me. I'm done.
No, I'm done as well. I'm done. I deleted my down 0.75%. Was up 1.2 end of yesterday. Down 0.75, but it's fine. It is good to get in the mix on a Wednesday. Honestly, the most choppy session, yeah. I'm just bleak about one thing, and I know some of you caught it, was maybe I was a little bit, this type of passion I had now, I had to have it this morning there. When I said go and rewatch the stream, actually gave you some nuggets. Always buy the first pullback after a new high has been created. There was the new high on the session on the week. That was the first pullback. All I wanted, and maybe that was a lot to ask, was I wanted that bottom wick. I wanted that bottom wick to touch 23.40 and then the break of the high. And that's fine. That would have been an easy 56 pip trade. Some of you took it. I didn't take it. Let me take this energy into tomorrow. And then also I wanted to take something here. That was the open. Then I wanted to take something here. That is the gap. So yeah.
That's it, bro. I think that's the session.
So it's gonna sell now, bro. It can literally do what it wants to do. I'm out. It has been a day. Full screen chats. We can actually delete that other one now. Wait, let me just. Alrighty, Keeks. What are we doing for tomorrow? Okay, so tomorrow we're not streaming NYSE.
Yeah, just London session, guys.
I think we're going to spend that time tomorrow chatting a little bit about the weekend, the boot camp, and then...
No, that's perfect. Yeah, Chad, I think today just super choppy. We had our shots. Other than that, I'm calling it. Not going to get too stuck in where it's unnecessary. As I say, we tried. You obviously got what we got. Not going to push it after that. I'll rather keep it in and come again tomorrow.
Is that what you say when you're married? come again tomorrow. I think Chris has unlocked the too much knowledge badge. Hey, baby, and that's something I have to fight every single day of my life. Sitting with all this trading knowledge, just keep it simple. I love it when there's volume in the market. It's easy to trade then. A little bit, tricky. Not even tricky. Chad, in all honesty, if I sit down tonight and I reflect on my session, that buy fucked me up that I wanted to take, and if I took that buy, most probably would have been done for the session, both sessions. That would have been 2.5 R, would have been up 4% then for the week. So this is a game of margins, Chad. Just like that. Like I said previously. You can have a great Monday, Tuesday, and you can literally ruin your week into Friday.
Yeah.
So it's literally just that one margin that basically goes into. So learn from that. Be able to say, listen, things didn't go my way, and I didn't play the rub of the green right here. So W Stream boys, have a wonderful evening.
I think that's it, Chad. I've got to go. So I know my boys still want to stay and chat with you guys.
No. I'm gonna shoot.
But we're gonna see you guys tomorrow for London session.
Chad, peace and love, baby.
Cheers, Chad.
Keeks, when are we getting a studio desk?
I must follow up with the guy.
Because my wall looks cream, cookies and cream, yeah. Keegan's wall looks white, and we're literally sitting next to one another.
Yeah.
I can see, Keeks, did you enter the long? Why did you enter? Keeks, are you up? What? 60 pips? No, I'm kidding. Keeks didn't enter anything. Are we done? What are we waiting for?
That's you, brother. We're waiting for you.
Keeks, do me a favor. Wait. Let's do this transition. There's my wife. Wait, we're gonna do a smooth transition. Gold is hurting me, really. Looking at it now.
Alright. Well, Chad, I'm going.
Okay,
So
what we're gonna do is I'm gonna mute, and then as I mute, we both say, "Alright, Chad, see you tomorrow. Peace and love, baby." And then as I mute the mics, you turn the volume up there. Okay. I'm gonna start.
Bye.
Chad, peace and love, baby. See you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, Chad.